Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into an incredible piece of technology you won't want to miss. Imagine a machine that can turn your digital creations into stunning, hand-drawn masterpieces with precision and ease. Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? Well, the future is here, and it's called the 3.0 Pre-Assembled Pen Plotter High-End XY Plotter All-in-One Drawing Robot. This amazing device is capable of producing intricate drawings, handwriting, and even digital art with unparalleled precision. So, let's take a closer look and see what makes this machine so special. One of the standout features of the 3.0 Pre-Assembled Pen Plotter is its upgraded wireless Wi-Fi control. This means you can say goodbye to cluttered workspaces and hello to seamless, cable-free control. With Wi-Fi connectivity, you can send files and operate the device remotely, giving you the flexibility to work from anywhere. Whether you're a digital artist, a designer, or simply someone who loves to create, this feature is a game changer. Imagine being able to send your designs to the plotter from your phone or computer and having them come to life in front of your eyes. It's a truly exhilarating experience, and it's all thanks to the power of wireless Wi-Fi control. Another feature that really sets the 3.0 Pre-Assembled Pen Plotter apart is its ability to operate offline with an SD card. This means you can load your design files onto an SD card and run the device independently, without the need for a computer. This is perfect for artists who work on the go or for those who prefer to work in a more traditional, analog way. The plotter's ability to work offline also makes it ideal for stable, uninterrupted drawing or writing in any environment. Whether you're working from a coffee shop, a co-working space, or even a remote location, the 3.0 Pre-Assembled Pen Plotter has got you covered. Now, let's talk about precision. The 3.0 Pre-Assembled Pen Plotter features a Z-axis stepper motor with a direct drive rack and pinion system, which ensures precise height control. But what does this mean for you, the user? In short, it means that your creations will be rendered with incredible accuracy and detail. The plotter's precision is up to plus or minus 0.02 millimeters, which is truly remarkable. Whether you're creating intricate designs, handwriting, or digital art, the 3.0 Pre-Assembled Pen Plotter will bring your vision to life with stunning clarity and precision. In addition to its impressive features, the 3.0 Pre-Assembled Pen Plotter is also designed with maintenance and durability in mind. The conveniently adjustable synchronous belt tension and professional structure allow for easy maintenance and quick restoration to factory settings. This means that you can keep your plotter in top working condition with minimal effort. The secure and organized cable management system with drag chain guides also protects the internal soft cables, allowing them to withstand up to 15 million bends without damage. This is a plotter that's built to last, and it's clear that the manufacturers have thought carefully about the needs of their users. So what does all this mean for you? If you're an artist, designer, or simply someone who loves to create, the 3.0 Pre-Assembled Pen Plotter is an absolute must-have. With its wireless Wi-Fi control, offline operation, and incredible precision, this machine is capable of bringing your digital creations to life in a way that's both stunning and precise. Whether you're looking to take your art to the next level, create unique gifts for friends and family, or simply explore the world of digital art, the 3.0 Pre-Assembled Pen Plotter is the perfect tool for the job. So what are you waiting for? Find the link in the description below to get your hands on this incredible machine and start creating your masterpieces today. Trust me, you won't regret it. The future of art and design is here, and it's more exciting than ever. So,